Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about conditional statements in Java. So before we start with conditional statements, let's learn about flow of control. So what is flow of control? The order of execution of statements in a program is called flow of control. So suppose we have 5 statements in a program, statement 1 to statement 5. So the statement 1 will be executed first, followed by statement 2, statement 3, and so on. The statement 5 will be executed. This order of execution is called flow of control. Unless specified, the flow of control is linear, that is, one statement after the other. As I explained, statement 1 will be executed, then statement 2 will be executed, then statement 3 will be executed, then statement 4 will be executed, and finally statement 5 will be executed. So, this order of execution is called linear order of execution. However, it is not always desired that the execution follows linear order. So some programming statements allow us to decide whether or not to execute a particular statement or execute a particular statement repeatedly. So some statements allows us or give us the liberty to decide whether a particular statement will be executed or not, whereas some other programming statements give us the liberty to execute a particular statement repeatedly. So what are these conditional statements? Conditional statements allows us to choose which statement to be executed after a particular statement. So at a particular point, we can choose which one to be executed. Therefore, they are also sometimes called selection statements because we can select our statements. Suppose I am in statement number 1. So from statement 1, I can choose whether I have to execute statement 2 or statement 4. So this selection I can do. The Java conditional statements are if statement, if else statement, and switch statement. In this video, we are going to learn about if statement. So the if statement. The general syntax of the if statement is as follows. If, then a condition. If the condition is satisfied, then there is some statement. So here if is a reserved keyword. Condition is a Boolean expression that evaluates to true or false. Statement sequence is a set of Java statements. It can be one statement or more than one statement. This is the flowchart of if statement. We start, we evaluate an expression. If it is true, then we execute some statements. If it is false, we stop. So this is an example of if statement. Public class sample. So sample is the name of the class. Then public static void main int a equal to 20 and b equal to 30. So we have two integer variables a and b. The value stored in a is 20 and the value stored in b is 30. If b is greater than a, then we will print b is greater. Else we will not do anything. So this is an example of if statement. So this is it for today. Thank you very much.